Okay, check this out. I want to show you how helpful Google Analytics is, especially when you have a variance in your Google Analytics data and you want to know where that traffic came from. Okay, so I open Google Analytics and I see a big spike in my page view. That's not normal. So since it happened yesterday on the 17th, I go to custom date range and I just want to see what the difference is. I'll just do the 16th to the 17th and compare it to the previous period. So I can see exactly how much my page views increase, and this is so abnormal for it to increase 70% in just 2 days. So I go over here to all traffic channels and I want to see which source of traffic that came from. Unfortunately, this one came from direct. So if it had come from organic search, referral, social, or email, I would be able to drill down deeper into Google Analytics to see exactly where this traffic came from. This just says direct, and then it shows how much more. So when I click on direct, it shows that I had a 5,000% increase to my homepage. At this point, I'm just going to assume that it's a bot. And for my own sake, when I'm looking at my numbers for the last 30 days, I'm just going to take out an extra 1,000 page views because my numbers are inflated. For the times I am able to figure out where this extra traffic is coming from, it helps me to either focus on my platform or just see what I did right for a blog post to go viral perhaps. And now I did have this spike in traffic. I'm just going to monitor my data a little bit more. And then to prevent bots, I might reach out to my hosting company, or I also have my website attached to Cloudflare. I might just monitor the bots being sent in. Using your data on Google Analytics is really, really helpful for growing your blog, especially if you know where the traffic's coming from. You can focus more on there. You can find out so much information about your audience, write for them, see what they're searching to even get to your site, and so much more. And I teach you all how to do this in my Google Analytics course, and the link is in the bio. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if it was. Thank you.